We. What a nice wing, by the way. So, oh, okay. So, hello guys. So, in today's video, we're going to continue this horror game of Evelyn. This is only last a part, so I'm going to play the game, horror game. So, let's do this. So, alright, we're here right now. So, let's go. Okay, where's the part 2? Alright. I don't know what's saying. Anyway, it's gonna be teleporting game. Or something. Oh, it's not. The sub fun thing. So, let's do this. Just doing some alone. So, anyways, Tiny, if you watch this video and I finish this chapter 2, so will you gonna play with me? Alright, we're here. Welcome back, detective. Glad to see you again. Unfortunately, I have some bad news about the Evelyn case. What? All thought we removed the eyes from the haunted doll that has stopped it. The doll has disappeared from the place we left it. Luckily, Evelyn's spirit has not returned to the house, but has potentially moved on to the what? We have received reports about strange things from students and teachers at Evelyn. Here, have a read through some of the report. So, let me finish that. Our job today is to search the school and find out any information that can help us. Be careful. The school had to shut down for a few weeks since it has been dangerous. Alright, we're here. We have to solve that. What's that? Are my best friend. Oh, I think that. Okay. Okay. There's something else. Okay, there's no here. Nothing here. Okay, let's go first. Key. Yo. Okay. Okay, let's keep checking up until we see it. Evening stays. Okay. Okay, this is okay, mathematics. Okay. That handle, where it's from, where it belong. I think there's something called. Okay, is there something we can see? What's that? Oh, this has been missing. Purple pen. It must be belonging there. So my bag. Cooking. Okay, we're gonna let it cook. Okay, we have to cook this. Okay, to where it belongs. I think we have to cook it. So, okay. Green thing here, I need tomato. The tomato. Oh, alright, I have to mute this. I think there's something jump scare. Literature. Okay. So this literature room. Alright. Okay, what do we need? We have to place this block. Why? Give me that. What's that sound? Sure, I do. Oh, this is where I place. Okay, I understand. I thought I just completed. Clock. Fighters. Under the sea. I think that's here. What's that? Okay, what's... No. Alright, it's audio. This... Okay. Made brush. You have to paint this. Okay, this must be one. Purple is a one. Okay, you're there. Aqua. That is red. I mean. Okay. Alright, this is really interesting. Stairs. Alright. Maybe I should check the lockers for something to open. Okay. To open this door. Okay. Check it. What's that? I think I have to place it. No, it's not. Okay. OOG board. Maybe I should put the on the OOG board. Hello. Door. It's door. Quick, I need to shut off fire alarm. The fire out. Something. It's office. I think I have to fire extinguish. Yes, I knew it. Yes, I coming for you. See, janitor. Janitor, yeah. Okay. One day I will come back and get my revenge. The Chosen One shall have support me and guide me through the future. I will take over one fall. I will have the power to change the world and the people on this planet. Queen Martha, 1855. Okay. What route shall I go? Okay, this one. Shall go this. Hello, who are you? Oh, that's it. Nope. My name is Abby. I can go find out the truth about what happened but I got stuck down. Oh, ikaw mo yun, eh? The only one was the reason for all this. We have even played it once, but I guess we play it again after that time. We must have contact Martha through the audio board after getting the door for her. The board is destroyed and you then follow the door. Now we can both get out of here safely. Thank you so much for finding me. Wait, let's leave. Okay, I think I will disconnect. Is that right? Yes. So this a chapter 2. I just got a good ending. So hope you guys enjoy the video and like and subscribe and join the Discord. So so there's no my questions. So bye.